Hello guys, welcome back to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Vechain. Vechain is currently trading for $0.025. Should we start buying some Vechain right now, guys? Vechain has not been moving in the last 3 months. Vechain has basically been stagnant. We have been seeing altcoins have huge relief rallies in this bear market, but Vechain has not been doing anything worthy to write home about. We saw Vechain rise from the lows in the COVID sell-off. It went up more than 14,000% in just 400 days. Should we start selling our Vechain because Vechain is not going to pump anytime soon? Or should we start accumulating more because we have some indicators telling us that maybe, just maybe, this is the best time to start buying some altcoins? The altcoin season indicator is showing us that we're in alt season. The crypto fear and greed index is showing us that the market is still in extreme fear. But guys, we have to ask ourselves, will Vechain still pump again after having this kind of huge pump? We'll be looking at the Vechain US dollar price chart. We'll be looking at Vechain's performance against Bitcoin, Vechain's performance against Ethereum, and then we'll take a look at Vechain's market cap. Currently sitting at $1.8 billion. Can we go lower than that in this bear market? Or can we go higher than that in a relief rally in the bear market? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, if you're new to this channel and you want to make money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, this is the channel for you. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video. Let's get down to business. Guys, at the point of recording this video, we're having a very green day in the altcoin market. Altcoins are pumping really hard. Vechain is up 6.3% in the last 1 day. In the last 1 week, it's up 4.2%. But the bad news is that in the last 1 month, Vechain is down 15.9%. And in the last 1 year, it's down 79.1%. Are we going to get a relief rally in Vechain in this bear market, or will Vechain just keep dumping to gobbling town? Since when the all-time high came in for Vechain on the 16th of April 2021, Vechain has been dumping really hard. It has lost more than 92% of its value in that period of time. Guys, this is not just peculiar to Vechain. We know that that's what all coins do in the bear market. That's what we expect all coins to do during the bear market. After going up thousands of percentage points in the bull run, you expect a period of consolidation and a period of sideways action. Now, the question nobody knows the answers to is that when will Vechain start pumping? The only data set we have for Vechain is from August 2018 till September 2022, and we have seen Vechain through the ending phase of the previous bear market, and we have seen Vechain pump in the bull run. Right now, we're seeing Vechain in another bear market. Will Vechain not pump till the next bull run? Because guys, during the bear market, a lot of these altcoins will just be going sideways. So see Vechain, for example. Vechain was launched just before Bitcoin actually bottomed the ending phase of the crypto bear market in 2018. But what did Vechain do? So guys, Vechain actually pumped till 457 days after Bitcoin has bottomed. So even Bitcoin has bottomed right now, we still have at least 1 year of sideways consolidation for a lot of these altcoins, Vechain included. Should we start accumulating some Vechain? Because guys, if Vechain gets below this level, the 0.021 level, and that will be a very good signal for me to start accumulating some Vechain, and that's a very strong support. If Vechain breaks through that support, I'll assume this will be the accumulation range. Because guys, if you look at the previous bear market, Vechain was bouncing around this range throughout the bear market. If you're accumulating Vechain after Bitcoin bottomed in December and when Vechain was just doing all this motion, if you're accumulating Vechain, guess what? When the bull run came back, when the market was in easy mode, you would have been singing Kumbaya. Because from the COVID sell-off to the top of the market, Vechain returned more than 82 times your investment. So if you invested $1,000 in Vechain right here, you got to cash out more than $82,000 in Vechain. Now, an argument can be made that Vechain will still pump in this bear market. We have not seen a retracement rally happen for Vechain. Some people say maybe, just maybe, this rally we had in Vechain from July till November 2021, was this a retracement rally in Vechain? Are we just waiting for something that will not happen? And the argument is that Vechain will still have a retracement rally in this bear market. If we use the Fibonacci retracement tool and assume that the bottom that came in right here is going to be the bear market bottom for Vechain, important levels you want to watch out for Vechain, as Vechain is pumping in the bear market. If Vechain will pump really well in this bear market, is the $0.08 level. This is a very important level. You can see that Vechain got stopped out of that level just as early as March 2022. At some point in time, you expect Vechain to come back to test this level. If we get rejected off that level, then maybe, just maybe, we are going to come back to set new lows. But if we can pass that level, and that level you really want to watch out for is the $0.18 level. You can see that Vechain has reactions to this level. These are important levels. Or maybe Vechain would tease all of us and go to the 702 retracement. Everybody would think we're going to new all-time highs, but a lot of signs is pointing towards Vechain still consolidating in the nearest future. Guys, let's look at what Vechain has been doing in the last 1 month. In the last 1 month, Vechain has gone to as high as $0.033 and as low as $0.022. Currently ranked 33 on CoinMarketCap. We have over 1 million people that have Vechain on their watch list. Vechain has a market cap of $1.8 billion, a fully diluted market cap of $2.1 billion, and we have over 72.5 billion Vechains in circulation out of a maximum 86.7 billion tokens. Now, where can you get some Vechain if you want to buy some to hold through the bear market? You can get some Vechain on Binance, on KuCoin, on Hubo Global, on Gate.io, on Bitfinex, and anywhere you get your favorite altcoins. Over 1 million people have Vechain on their watch list. Now, it's leading us to ask, how is Vechain performing against Bitcoin? How is it performing against the number one altcoin in the market, Ethereum? Against Bitcoin, when the market is pumping, guys, you want to be holding some Vechain. Vechain will outperform Bitcoin. But the flip side to that is that when the market is dumping, Vechain dumps harder than the rest of the market. After Vechain was launched at the ending phases of the 2018 bear market, Vechain kept dumping till it finally found its bottom in May 2020. This was where Vechain finally bottomed. If you got some Vechain right there, you got the good part of Vechain, because Vechain started outperforming Bitcoin, but it didn't just start outperforming Bitcoin overnight. It had a rally first. It went up over 300% against Bitcoin, and then we had a dump. Now, from December 2020, that's the ending phase of the 2020-2021 bull run, we saw Vechain pump well to the moon. In just 119 days, it outperformed Bitcoin by over 600%. Guys, what I'm trying to show you guys with what Vechain is doing against Bitcoin is that when the market is in easy mode, when the market is pumping, Vechain is going to be pumping well. But when the market is dumping, just like we are experiencing right now, Vechain dumps really hard than the rest of the market. You can see that Vechain has lost more than 80% of its value since when it topped in April 2021. It has been dumping for more than 413 days. Right now, it looks as if there's a sign of life in Vechain. We have seen Vechain outperform Bitcoin by more than 30% in the last 3 months, but that's nothing to write home about. We expect Vechain to still consolidate for the remainder of the bear market. I believe the bear market is not over. Even though Bitcoin might probably have bottomed, a lot of these altcoins are still running hot because of the huge gains they had in the bull run. In crypto or in any assets, anytime you see huge run-ups like this in price and huge percentage gains, you hear people making 10,000% profits, and in Vechain case, Vechain returned more than 10,000% profits in just 402 days. You'll be expecting a long period of consolidation. A lot of the altcoins in the previous bear market took more than 800 days to finally find their true bottom. Is that what's happening to Vechain right now? We're getting some mixed signals in the market. The altcoin season index is showing us we're in alt season. This is the first time the altcoin season index is flashing alt season in the bear market. Is it flashing that because the bear market is over? Are we going to get a huge pump in the coming weeks? Because guys, if we take a look at Bitcoin dominance is threatening to break to new lows not seen since 2018. If Bitcoin dominance gets to maybe as low as 35%, 36% of the general crypto markets, we might have a relief in the crypto market. It doesn't mean all these altcoins will start pumping to the moon. It doesn't mean they'll start outperforming Bitcoin and Ethereum by a lot. We might just have a little rally and then we'll continue dumping. This Vechain's performance against Ethereum, when the market is pumping, you see that Vechain outperform Ethereum. Vechain outperform Ethereum here by 181%. This time Vechain outperform Ethereum by 359%. Even in the 2021 bull run, we saw Vechain outperforming Ethereum by more than 600%. And when all this happens, it happens very quickly. Most times, in less than 3 months, the whole party will be over. So guys, you want to position yourself before the pumps happen. Right now, Vechain against Ethereum is at an all-time low. This looks like a very smart time to start flipping your Ethereum for some Vechain. But at the same time, you want to respect risks. You want to be careful. The market can keep dumping. We're still in the bear market. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think Vechain is pumping to new all-time highs anytime soon? Or will Vechain continue consolidating in the bear market? If you take a look at Vechain's market cap, it currently sits at $1.8 billion level. Vechain has a very strong support level at the $1.1 billion level. So even if Vechain continue dumping, we might just see it dump another maybe 30-35%. That's not bad. It will mean that from the all-time high, if Vechain drops another 35%, Vechain will be going to as low as 0.015 level. From the all-time high we set in April 2021, it means Vechain would have dumped 94% from its all-time high, and that's perfectly fine. We've seen all coins do 94% from their all-time high, they recover in the next bull run, and they're going to set new all-time highs. So I believe in the next bull run, we might see Vechain set new all-time highs. The market cap might get above the $17 billion level. That was the highest point it got in the 2021 bull run. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. Tell me, do you think Vechain will have a swift recovery and start pumping better than the rest of the market? Will you be buying more Vechain right now, expecting higher prices? Or will you just be hodling your Vechain, expecting higher prices in the future? Or will you be selling your Vechain because you're expecting lower prices and you want to buy at a lower price? I want to hear your thoughts about what you'll be doing to your Vechain through the bear market. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification if you want to get notified anytime I drop a new video. See you guys in my next video.